The Intergalactic Bake-Off. Get your mixing bowls ready. We're going to the moon for the biggest bake-off in the galaxy. But wait, what's the secret ingredient? Hello, universe. Welcome back to the J channel for kids. Get ready for a cooking adventure with our planetary friends. This is the Great Moon Bakery. Today is the day of the Intergalactic Bake-Off. Leo the lion and Jabo the robot are representing planet Earth. Their competition, Zoodle the alien from planet Zog, who has 3 arms. And Sparklebot from the Milky Way. Okay, Jabo, we need to bake the cake of peace. The judge is the Great Space Queen, and she only eats the finest treats. Gleep glop, my cake will be made of moon mud and crunchy rocks. It's very salty. Suddenly, disaster struck. Zoodle accidentally spilled his moon mud all over Sparklebot's stardust sugar. Error, error. My sugar is ruined. I cannot bake my star cookies now. Zoodle felt bad, but he didn't know how to fix it. He only had moon mud left. Leo looked at his own bowl of perfect earth flour. He had just enough to finish his cake, but if he shared it, his cake might be a little smaller. Leo didn't even hesitate. He poured half of his flour into Sparklebot's bowl. Here, friend, let's bake together. Maybe a mud sugar flour cake would be even better. The 3 bakers decided to stop competing and start collaborating. Zoodle stirred while Sparklebot added the glow, and Leo provided the heart. They put 1 giant pan into the solar oven. When the timer went ding, a rainbow-colored cake floated out. The Space Queen took a bite. This doesn't taste like Earth, or Zog, or the Milky Way. It tastes like friendship. The Queen gave everyone a gold medal. Leo and Jabo realized that the best part of the bake-off was not the cake, it was making new friends. From across the stars. Again. Let's rhyme with Leo. With a whisk and a spoon and a star-dusted pan, we're baking the best cake as fast as we can. Aliens from Venus and Mars and the Sun are joining together for baking and fun. It's not about winning or being the best. It's kindness that puts our big cake to the test. That was out of this world. Words of the day from the learning section. Before we end our story, let's read 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me, and let's giggle while we learn. Moon, say moon. Your turn. Cake. Say cake. Your turn. Bowl, say bowl. Your turn. Star, say star. Your turn. Share, say share. Your turn. You are all stellar readers. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Happy Valentine's Day. Please like and subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.